Another day, another cooking vlog. On the menu today, we have steak sandwiches and garlic green beans. Garlic lemon green beans. I'm so hungry and I'm so excited, so let's get started. The oven's preheating to 400, so I'm gonna start by just cutting off the top of the garlic bulb to like expose the garlic. And then I'm gonna grab some tin foil, put the bulb in the middle, and I'm gonna add olive oil to the top, salt, and a little bit of pepper. Then we're gonna wrap her up nice and tight, and we're gonna place her in the oven when she's ready. Then big onion. Then while that's going, I'm just gonna chop off the top of the onion. Peel all this lovely stuff off. I wanna make them thin. So my plan with the onions is I'm gonna caramelize them, or try to. So I wanna make them like thin, so it doesn't take too long. Every damn time. Okay, we got our onions. I can't see. Yeah. So I have the garlic in for about 20, 25, 30 minutes. I'm gonna saute my onions in here. I have it over medium heat, so I'm gonna let that warm up for a minute, and then I'm gonna add my onions. Then I'm gonna start chopping the ends off my green beans for the garlic green beans. I just finished making a big batch of garlic green beans for Thanksgiving. Like I mentioned in my last video. The mac and cheese was a hit, by the way. Everybody loved it, so gonna be making that again when I have the energy. But I also made green beans, and they were so good that now I'm just craving them again. So I was like, that'll be a good side with the steak dinner, I feel. Now this is my favorite part, is to season the steaks. That looks so good. So they've been sitting out for a bit. I'm gonna start by patting them dry to get all that moisture out. And I know some people like to do it simple. To me, this is simple, but I'm gonna start with a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I'll do that to both sides. And then I like to just leave them sitting still to like get that to soak in for a little bit before I cook them. Let's check on the onions. Okay, they're starting to brown a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt and Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Worcester. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. And then I'll just mix that in a little bit. I hate the smell of Worcestershire. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell of that sauce. But I feel like this type of onion gets really sweet, so that helps balance it a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start on the green beans. I'm just gonna put the green beans in the pan, add a little water, and I'm gonna cover it until guys, I don't measure, I don't time. I'm just gonna look at them, and we'll steam them a bit. They're getting there. Not yet though. Now that they're almost done, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of water. Here's how we're looking on the caramelized onions. I feel like they look good. I feel like they're done. Well, they're done enough for me. So I'm gonna take them off. Okay, then in that same pan, because it's already hot, I put a little oil, and we're gonna cook our steaks. I like to do one at a time just because I like to focus on them. So I like to do the fatty side first. Here we go. And then I'll do like 2 to 3 minutes each side. Okay, I added butter and garlic to the beans, and I turned down the heat. So I'm just gonna let that kind of brown a bit and sit with each other. I'm gonna add a squirt of lemon as well. Split my steak. Beautiful. Add a little lemon. Switch these around, that's how it's looking. A little garlic. Put a little zest in as well. I like it really lemony. Green beans are finito. Okay, then I turned it to low. I'm gonna wait till it cools down a bit because I don't want the butter to burn when I add it. Let's get started on our sauce. So now we're gonna take our garlic that was in the oven, and I'm gonna squeeze the garlic into a bowl. I'm just mashing the garlic. Again, we're measuring this with our hearts. Then we're gonna do some mayonnaise. Some pepper. Some salt. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Hello. And we'll put that all together. We're gonna add a little olive oil as well, just to make it a little bit more creamier. I have parsley in the fridge, so I think I'm gonna chop some up and put it in it as well, because I feel like that'd be nice in here. So that's our dip for our sauce that we're putting on the sandwiches. Okay, so I have butter and rosemary in the pan as well. Hi, babe.
Smoky in here.
Yeah, can you open a window?
Jeez.
Can you open a window?
It smells so fucking good in here. It smells so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it smells unreal.
Okay, so I'm gonna switch steaks now.
I'm gonna eat leftover pasta.
No, dinner's. What about dinner?
I'm just gonna have a few bites. Oh my god.
What?
I'm having steak sandwiches.
We're having steak sandwiches?
Fuck yeah.
that just included now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was between ciabatta or sourdough, but I felt like the ciabatta was just too thick and I wanted a thin bread, so we're doing sourdough. I'll put both of them actually on here. We hate big lights. Okay.
God, I love it so much.
Now, take these off. Cover them for a bit. Okay, then I have arugula here. I think I'm just gonna add lemon and salt. Good. And I'm gonna mix it around
Get a steakhouse hold down.
with my hands.
Frick.
Holy lemon. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Then I have a pan on medium low. And I'm gonna butter one side of the sourdough. This is like fresh sourdough. It's so soft. It smells so good. I'm adding buttered side down on the pan. And on the other side, I'm gonna add provolone cheese. The internet said provolone is the best, so we're gonna do provolone. I'm gonna cover it so it can evenly melt. Let's see what the steaks look like. Ooh. Perfectly pink. Okay, I'm trying to cut like super thin pieces because I think that'll turn out the best. Okay, cheese is melted. You didn't see that. Perfectly toasted on the other side too. I'm gonna add some of this sauce that I made. the onions. Adding the steak. Some arugula. Add a few green beans. My hands are all mucky, but look. Dinner is served. Look at that sandwich. Oh my Lanta. I didn't even take off my apron. I'm so eager to eat it. It's so good. Listen.
Oh,
Mm.
attaboy.
10 out of 10.